Is this going to turn out okay? Stay tuned to find out. Hi soapy friends, it's Steph from Micas and More. I'm mixing up some neons to get custom colors for my new soap. I'll start by using Outrageous Orange and Yellin Yellow in equal amounts. That wasn't exactly the look that I wanted, so I added some more yellow to make a 2-to-1 ratio. The scent that I'm testing is called Fresh Ginger and Lime. It's such a bright, fun scent, so I wanted to use some bright, fun colors. To represent the lime, I start with glitzy green neon. I'll add in Yellin Yellow to make a nice bright color. To give the soap some contrast, I'm using white satin mica. Here I've added my lye water into my melted oils. I'll stick blend it until it reaches a light trace. The oils that I use are lard, coconut, olive pomace, cocoa butter, and shea butter. I used the small spatula to clean off the stick blender, and unfortunately I lost the footage of where I added the fragrance oil, but it riced badly and I had to stick blend it to get that all smoothed out. My original plan was to do a tree ring pour like in acrylic painting, but my soap batter was way too thick, so I just put it in this cup and hope for the best. This is a portion that I left uncolored so that I could use it as a control to see if the fragrance oil will discolor the soap. Let's get this soap in the mold. I tap it down to try to make sure there aren't air bubbles and so that it'll flatten out a bit. After I do that, I use one of my mini spoons to texture the top. One last look before I put this one to bed. I'll put it in a box and under a blanket for about 24 hours. I actually had a problem with another soap that I made at the same time, which was really soft, so I ended up waiting 2 days for this one. And that turned out to be a mistake because it was quite dry and crumbly, but you'll see that in just a minute. I use a pastry cutter to mark where I want to make the cuts. I'll use it for the first cut, but after that I switched to a knife because I didn't like how it was crumbling. As it turned out, using a knife also left some crumbly edges, so I had to clean this up with my wire cutter. And here are the cut soap picks. I cleaned these up quite a bit and now I have shavings left over for confetti soap. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can get products used here at micasandmore.com online anytime. And if you use my products, I'd love to see what you make. You can share your pictures in my Facebook group, Steph's Micas and More. It's also a good place to find out what's coming up next or to ask questions. Thanks for watching.